Astra. Fall in love with driving again. Discover Vauxhall.
New Heinz Spread and Bake. Spread something good. Your body's very clever. It always knows which different vitamins and minerals you need. So when you need extra support, Centrum is cleverly balanced to be complete from A to Z. So your body can put Centrum to work in the way that's best for you. Clever you. Clever Centrum. Imagine you can feel beautiful in the blink of an eye. Introducing Venus Breeze from Gillette. The first Venus razor with built-in shave gel bars that release a light lather so you don't need separate shave gel. It flexes to fit your curves, helping your skin silky smooth. New Venus Breeze. Reveal the goddess in you.
She was the kind of woman who loved to be seduced.
Don't
And she
bite
couldn't
me.
resist temptation. She longed for passion, excitement, and the enticing fragrance of new Lenore Black Diamond and Lotus Flower.
Be seduced by new Lenore infusions.
As a hairdresser, my clients ask me about everything, from boyfriends to beauty treatments. But they all want to know how to recreate a salon-inspired layered look at home, as layers can go flat after the first wash. My secret? Layered hair products like the new Pantene Enhanced Layers collection. Shampoo, conditioner and styling products make flat dull layers lifted and defined in one use. Keep your layers gorgeous without me. With the new Enhanced Layers collection from Pantene.
He's got his.
Tail.
Sharpie permanent markers write on just about anything. Sharpie, write out loud.
Subtile.